Well, it is Red Friday, and so what's a better way than to celebrate with some Chiefs decor?
Now, local artist Deaunte Thomas joins us now with the DIY project that you can do at home. Deaunte, you've got it stenciled already for us, so I feel like you've done half the battle already. So, but we're painting today, guys. Now, I'm not a very good paint by numbers guy, so I'm going to need you to kind of guide us through this.
Gotcha. We're going to start with the big brush right here. We're going to start with the yellow.
Okay.
So if you see, we've got the nice arrowhead for our Chiefs and some of the Kansas City skyline buildings on there. Looks sharp.
So we're going to start with the background, give it a nice yellow.
Okay.
Give it a nice spread.
Okay, and tips for painting up and down, side to side?
Just want to get a nice coat on it. Make sure you get it real thick.
I feel like Bob Ross already.
Okay, and Deaunte, how did you get started painting?
I actually been into paint all my life, as long as I could hold a pencil. I actually started painting last February for my first art show since college, from a college student actually.
Oh yeah, where'd you go to school at?
I went to school at Northwest Missouri State for graphic design.
Okay.
So I've been painting since February. I've done murals, pop-up art. Hosted my first on art show last, what was this? It was August, and I featured 6 other artists.
Oh wow, so you're kind of taking off here.
Yes, man. Yes. So when I want to get recognition, I bring other artists with me as well.
Oh wow, here's some of your work right here. That's fantastic. I feel like that work is way more gratifying maybe than doing the Chief stuff here, but that looks, that's fantastic.
Yes. This is kind of like,
we're having fun here, though.
It's Friday right now, but
yeah, come on now.
Well, especially he's a Broncos fan.
What?
Yes.
We're painting the Chiefs logo for Kansas City.
Yes.
Who booked this? No.
It was a bet. It was a bet. I lost a bet. So we lost to the Chiefs, and I decided I would do a Chiefs logo for the town.
Well, so we like a guy that can honor his bets. At least you're not welching on it. So good job.
Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure.
So apparently the story is he lost a bet to our producer. Deaunte. Is that what happened?
Yep.
Why do you run around with Deaunte? He's a bad influence.
Hey, he's a good guy. He's a good.
All right, I have a feeling I need to speed up because you guys are going way faster than me here. Hold on.
Okay. So we just need everything in the sky to be painted yellow. Okay.
We're going to paint the background yellow, and then we're going to work on the skyline, and then we're going to make the city bleed for the Chiefs.
There we go.
Since they bleed red.
Since they're going to win against the Bengals. We can at least agree on that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully so, yeah.
The guys from 98 Degrees earlier this week were talking some smack though. Did you remember that?
Oh, I remember. I've been
degrees?
to their place in Cincinnati.
What did they say?
They said that the Bengals were going to win big.
I don't know. AJ Green might just, I don't know if y'all got like toddlers as y'all corners or, or whatever, but.
We have the best offense.
It doesn't matter.
It's up there. I won't lie with that.
I won't
lie with that. The offense is good.
Okay.
It is.
We got to hurry up here.
As long as Kareem Hunt gets me more fancy points and I win, if I win, then I'll be happy.
All right, we got to go. We got to keep rolling here in different colors. What are we doing in the skyline?
What do we do next?
All right, we're going to paint the bottom black.
Okay.
Same brush or the different brush?
You can get a different brush.
Okay.
If you want to be a little faster.
Okay. Okay, so all of those little sticks?
Yep. Actually, skyline right here.
Oh.
Okay, there we go.
Okay.
We're hustling here.
Put a little pep in it.
Yeah, I never knew painting came with a time limit.
Yeah.
I feel like there's a buzzer at the end of this.
I feel like I'm rushed or something, but that's okay. A true artist can't be rushed, right? Which is why
I was rushed a little bit,
I was going to say that's why I'm not a true artist.
Yep. Okay. Paint this one too.
All right, here we go. Got to paint my Bartle Hall spire here. All right. So where else can we go see your work at?
I will have a networking event on the 27th at the Artist Art Building. It's basically a networking event to bring entrepreneurs and business people together.
Okay.
So that we're not only working at a distance and that we can collab with each other.
Oh, cool. Now, how much will it take to get you to wear this Chiefs hat before the end of the show?
If you beat me in paper, rock, scissors, then we might can decide on that.
Maybe he helps us with the painting a little bit, and then we get
enough.
him to put on the helmet.
Yeah, we might have to speed this up a little bit here towards the end of the show.
Gotcha.
So, but Deaunte, thank you for being here. Thank you for stenciling our canvas. We're going to have some cool pieces made up of everything by the end of the show.
It's safe to say Deaunte's will look much better than ours.
Yeah,
probably.
Yeah, for sure.
That was a given, yeah.
It's going to be on sale on Facebook after this.
Yeah, watch for that on eBay and all that other stuff. So.